Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I want to install OwnCloud with Docker. We start the video on the website OwnCloud. Again, a lot of information. We go to the Docker Hub, OwnCloud server. See? We have tags. Today we install 10.16. We have also the GitHub account with the code and again a lot of information. And at last the documentation for OwnCloud we gonna install with Docker Compose. We're gonna use this code and the environment variables. Therefore, we open Visual Studio Code, do a remote connection to our Fedora server. See, downloading, it's finished. We go to Open Folder. In my case, Programming Docker OK. We open the folder and I prepared a directory OwnCloud. I open it and I have two files, the Docker Compose and the environment variables. We start with the Docker Compose file. First, we create 3 volumes, files, MySQL and Redis, and a network OwnCloud. It's a bridge network. Then we have our first service, OwnCloud, the image, container name. Remember, this variable is in the environment variables. You're going to see that in a minute. Container name, restart always, ports, again, environment variable, depends on MariaDB and Redis. So first, MariaDB and Redis has to start up before OwnCloud can run. Then we have a lot of environment variables for the domain, the database, admin, the password, and the Redis. Then we have a health check block, the volumes, and the networks. The next part is MariaDB, again image, MariaDB 10.11, container name, restart, environment, the root password, the user password, the database name, again a health check, volumes and networks, and last Redis. Image, container name, restart always, command, the health check, the volumes and the networks. Then we go to the environment variables, the OwnCloud version. So I told you 10.16. The OwnCloud domain, in my case it's 192.168.1.299. IP address from my Fedora server, port 8080. Trusted domain, again IP address from the server, the admin username, admin, the admin password is also admin, and the HTTP port 8080. So all this goes to the Docker Compose. You see that here we have $ brackets is an environment variable. Here. Now we go to the terminal, open new terminal, go to the OwnCloud directory, I do ls, and as you can see, we have Docker Compose, but the environment you don't see because it's a hidden file. So we need to do ls all. Now you see dot environment variables. Now we start the container by Docker pause in detached mode. Enter. You see, we create a network and we create the containers. The images are already downloaded. So I run this command before I record the video. So that's why it's very quickly. We have to wait a little bit because the containers Redis, MariaDB and OwnCloud server has to prepare. So it's going to take a moment. To test everything out, I opened a private browser window, paste in the address 192.168.129.9, port 8080. Enter, and voila, we can log in. As you remember from the code, the username is admin. The password is also admin. And we can log in. And voila. We have files, documents, learn how to use OwnCloud, and pictures. You can view them, see that. Close. You have favorites, shared with you, shared with others, shared by link, tags. You have also a menu, files, we see that just. You have activity, okay. Activity by you, activity by others, and we have market. Here we have a lot of plugins with OwnCloud. On the other side, we have our user settings. See, a lot of settings. You can change the password if you want. Language, everything. You have users, but for now I only have one, the admin. See, admin, password, we can change that. The groups. And we can log out. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.